Hello friends, my name is Dr. Meera Mishra and today I am going to discuss the topic sum of the AP series. So friends, the formula for the sum of the AP series is, it is denoted by Sn equal to n by 2 a plus L. And another one is n by 2, you can write now a plus, and we know that the L equal to a plus n minus 1 d. This can be right now n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So here we have two formulas. First one is first term and last term, making by the first term and last term, and second one is the 2a plus n minus 1 d in this form. Okay, so according to the question we need as a requirement of the question, which formula you want to according to question, according to the requirement of the question you apply both of the formula. Okay, now taking the example, taking first question, find the sum of the series 375 plus 365 plus 355 up to so on 135. Okay, so friends, here we can find the sum of the series. As we know the formula of sum of the series, this one, but if we apply the sum of the formula, we need a, L and n. Okay, so here is we don't have the n, so we can first we find the value of the n. So we can apply L equal to a plus n minus 1 d, as we know this formula. So here L is 135, a is our first term 375, n minus 1 and d. What is the d? D is the consecutive difference between the two numbers, and this is 365 minus 375, it means minus 10. It means d equal to minus 10. 355 minus 365, this is also minus 10, so this is minus 10. Now solve this equation. Now taking this one, n equal to 25, n equal to 25. Now apply the sum of the formula, Sn equal to n by 2. You can apply any one, or you can use this one, or you can use this one. So n by 2, a is 375 and L is your 135, and n we can find the n 25. So this one is 510. Now you can solve this one, 12.5 into 510. Now you can apply, now you can solve this value comes 6375. Okay, so this is your first question answer. Now take the another one example. Question number 2. Question number 2. Now here friends, question is, how many times of the sequence is 54, 51, 48, must be taken to make 513. Okay, so here friend, how many times of the sequence 54, 51, 48 must be taken to make 513? Explain the double answer. Explain the double answer. It means here we get the two answers. Okay, so first, given the sequence are 54, 51, 48, and it said taken to make the 530. It means here given the value of Sn is 513. So here is A is your 54 and B is your -3. Now you can find A and D from there. Now we know the formula. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now you can apply n by 2, 2a, a is your 54, you don't know the n, and d is -3. Okay, now you simplify this equation, we get this one. Now we get the equation. Now you can solve this one, this equation. This one. Now you can simplify this equation. Take all the equation on this side. This one. Now common the 3. This one is now factorize this equation. How to factorize? You find the two numbers, when multiplied the both numbers we get this value 342, and add or subtract we got this value of these two numbers. Okay, so we can find 18n minus 19n. I solve, make the pair. If you don't know how to solve this type of equation, then you can write on the comment, then I make the video for this one. Okay friends, so here we get this one. So we get the two values 18 and 19. So here we got the two values of n is 18 and 19. So question is that explain the double answer. So friends, there are the two answers 18 and 19, and if you check the value of 18, put in the sum of the formula of given this formula. I mean to say, if you put the value in this case, in this here, put the value of 18 in this here, you find the value of 0. Okay, here is also find the 5 and 13, and here if you put the n equal to 18, so 5 and 13 equal to 5 and 13, it means 5 and 13 minus 5 and 13 equal to 0. It means if you put the value n equal to 18 is there, so you got the 0, you got the 0. So 18, put 18, got 0, so it means after that 18, if you put 19, 20, so all values, all the sum of this series are 0. Okay. So this is the explanation of this question. Now taking the next question. How many numbers of terms? How many numbers of terms of AP series 4, 5, 6 whose sum will be 165. Okay, so it means you find the value of n. So here series are 4, 5, 6 and so on. It means A is your 4 and D is your 1. Okay, and given the value of Sn is 165. So now put the formula. Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now put all values 165 and we find the n. 2 into a is 1, n minus 1 and d is your 1. Sorry, a is your 4. So now solve this one. Again you solve. 165 into 2 equal to n square plus 7n. So we get n square plus 7n minus 330 equal to 0. Again you find the two numbers whose multiplication is this one, minus 330, and addition or subtraction we get 7. Okay, so here the two numbers are 22 and 15. If you check 22 multiplied by minus 15, you got this one minus 330, and if subtract 22 and minus 15n, we get 7n. Okay, so make the pairing. So here the two values, n equal to 15 and another one is n equal to minus 22. But this minus 22 is not belongs to the natural number. So we have the answer is n equal to 15. Okay friends. Now take the next question. Question number is, I think first, second, third. I think this question number is fourth. Find the sum of the 25th term of AP series, and series are given 8 plus 11 plus 14 plus 80. Now this one. So you have to find, in this case you have to find the 25th term of AP series of this. Given that of this series is this one. Okay. So first here you can apply the formula as we know, because we here L equal to 80 and A is our 8 and 11 minus 8, it means D is your 3. Okay, so we know the formula Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L. Okay, so n is 25th A is 8 and L is 80. Now solve this one. It's a very simple question. So now you solve this one. This one is 12.5 and 88. Now you got 1100. Okay. So this is a very simple question. Now take the next question. Question number 5th. Find the sum of AP series. Series are 120, 115, 110 up to so on minus 75 plus bracket में minus 75. Okay, so minus 75. So again you see in previous question they are given the 25th term. You have to find the sum of the 25th term, but in this case just only given the series, not the nth term. So first you have to find the nth value. So we can apply the, because here given L is minus 75, A is your 120 and what is your D? D is your minus 5. Okay, so you can use the formula of this one, L equal to A plus n minus 1 first. So you can apply minus 75, A is your 120 and don't know the n, and D is your minus 5. So we can use this formula for solving n. Okay, so minus 75, 120 minus 5n plus 5. So here is 125 minus 5n. So you can take the 5n here, and this one is 125 minus 7 plus 75. So this is 200. So n equal to 200 by 5. It means 40. So we get n equal to 40. Now find the sum of this series, and we know the formula Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L. So you can, here n is 40, A is your 120 and L is your minus 75. So you can solve this one. This is 20, 120 minus 75, and this one is 20 and this is 45 and this is 900. It means this series have the sum 900. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. Okay friends, now take the next question. Now take the next question. Question number is, I think, 6. Question number is 6. Question is that the 5th term of the AP is 21 and 11th term is 39. Then find the first term, common difference, and sum of the 55th term of the series. Okay, so here given the 5th term of AP is 21 and 11th term of AP is 39. We know the nth term of the formula. Nth term of formula is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So here given the 5th term, it means T5 equal given is 21 and T11 is given as 39. So here we get the equation A plus 4D equals to 21, applying this formula, and here we apply this one is A plus 10D equal to 39. Okay, so you can solve both equations. We get the A and D. So first take the subtraction. So this one is cutting, and here we get the minus 10D minus, it means 60 goes to 39 minus 39 minus 21, it means 8 and minus the 18. Okay, so we get T equal to 3. So we get equal to d equal to 3. Now put the value of d equal to 3 in any equation. So suppose I put the value of in first one equation, it means a plus 4d equals to 21. So we get a plus 4 into 3 equal to 21, means a equal to 21 minus 12, it means 9, means 9. So here we get a equal to 9. So d equal to 3 and a equal to 9. We got this one. Now we find the here we find the a and d. So a is 3, a is 9. Our a is 9 and d is 3. Now find the sum of the 55th term. It means we know the formula Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now apply the 55th term. It means given 55th, m value is 55 and 2a is your 9, 55 minus 1 and d is your 3. Now solve this one. 55 by 2, 18 is 54 into 3. Again solve. Simplify this one. This one and again. So 55 by 2, 18 plus 1, 62. Now again you solve. And this is your 180. So this can be right now 27.5 into 180. So we get 4950. So this is your answer. Okay friends. So we are taking so many questions of this sum of the series. Okay. So in this lecture we are taking so many questions depend on the sum of the AP series, and next lecture we are taking some other questions which is also depend on the sum of the AP series, and just like a proof questions and some other type of questions. Okay friends, and I am not taking here because the video is too long, so take in next part. Okay, thank you so much for joining my class. Okay.